What's up, YouTube? Shawn here with the Guaranteed Success Plan, and today I want to talk about attracting your ideal client. And this is going to be through social media. Have you ever dealt with somebody that you actually just despise almost as a client, where you wish you would get fired, or you're going to fire them, or you have? Well, the thing is a lot of times when we get referred somebody, we have no idea who's coming in. When we're running ads, we have no idea who's coming in and who we're going to be working with. And sometimes, let's just be real, those people suck. Like, sometimes it just happens. All right, so I'm gonna talk to you guys today about social media, organic growth, and by putting your authentic self out there, how you can actually just get your ideal clients. It is a million times better. All right, guys, let's cut the fluff and get straight into it. So what I'm talking about when I'm saying ideal client, I mean somebody that is like-minded with you, somebody that could be part of your tribe. And the way that we do this is, again, through organic reach, through social media. So when you're putting your authentic self out there, so let's say you're into ballroom dancing or dirt biking or fitness, or maybe you got some specific type of yoga that you like. By you posting about that content all the time, and by liking and commenting and DMing on a bunch of accounts that are similar, or in communities where you want to work in those type of facilities or doing those type of things, you're going to draw the attention of those accounts. When you draw the attention of the account, they're gonna be like, who's this random person liking me? Who's this random person commenting on my stuff? They're gonna jump on your feed. They're gonna clearly see you're a realtor because we're posting value-related real estate topics. But if we're 80% our own personality and our own type of content, they're gonna look and they'll be like, oh, this person likes dirt biking? Oh, this person likes hiking in these certain places? I like doing that stuff too. They're gonna give you a follow, you follow them back, you keep commenting and interacting, you stay high on the algorithms, and what happens is now you've got somebody that vibes with the things that you like as well. So now when it comes time to do real estate, they're gonna hit you up in the DMs and be like, hey, I'm looking to buy or sell. And because you guys have like-minded activities and like-minded things that you're into, when you meet up for the first time, because you've only known each other virtually, when you meet up for the first time, you're gonna have so much in common. You're gonna have a lot of things that you like to talk about. It's gonna be a simple, smooth transaction. Plus, they already know you because you're putting your authentic self out there. So because they already know your personality a bit, it's not like it's gonna be cold. You're getting to know each other. It's not like it came from a Facebook ad that you ran or a Google lead or any of those kind of things. This is why organic reach is so important. This is how you start streamlining your business. You stop wasting time chasing buyers and sellers that you don't wanna work with anyways. So guys, social media is the key to leveraging your time and growing your business in an extremely powerful way. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful for you. I know this is something that I wish that I knew when I started. I had to fumble my way through. So if it was, let's make sure we ring that bell and subscribe so we don't miss any videos. And again, we're looking to grow our GSP, which is the Guaranteed Success Plan team, in a massive way. We've got agents joining every single day. It has been incredible to work with this massive group of agents that are, again, all like-minded. We're all looking to drive our business in the same direction. We're all growing, and truly, it's just a great place to work. You are no longer a lonely island. You're no longer by yourself in this business. You now have a group that's gonna nurture, support, teach, coach, mentor, and hold you accountable. It's literally everything that agents need that we're craving, but it just doesn't exist outside teams. And a lot of times when you're on an actual team, you're paying a huge split to somebody who's already kind of checked out of the industry, and all they're doing is running Facebook and Google leads and telling you to work those every day. This is actually truly gonna help nurture and grow your business, teach you how to be a business owner, make sure you stay an employee inside your business, and again, just skyrocket you to the top. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Talk to you next time.